Imagine a race between Achilles, the swift Greek hero, and a slow-moving tortoise. Zeno proposed that no matter how fast Achilles runs, he can never overtake the tortoise. Why? Because every time Achilles reaches the point where the tortoise was, the tortoise has moved a little further ahead. This thought experiment challenges our understanding of motion and infinity. It suggests that space and time can be infinitely divided, making the idea of completing a race seem impossible. Zeno's paradoxes force us to question our perceptions of reality and the nature of movement itself. If you found this intriguing, like, share, and comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to Cosmic Chronicles for more mind-bending explorations.